we's all gathered here to join this couple in holy matrimony. Yet another wedding I'm on this side of, Jeffrey.
We've written our own vows.
Oh, no.
Brian, I haven't known you that long, but these past weeks, I feel like you've given me a lifetime of love. And I vow to honor you and cherish you until the day I die.
Matrimony. The state of being married.
Archer embraced his new marriage even as he reverted to his old inherited ideas about matrimony.
Vow. A serious promise or decision.
We hid the child and made a vow to keep our secret.
Cherish. To love, protect, and care for someone or something.
Let us forever cherish the loved ones we've lost along the way.
Okay, all the gas bombs are set up. Time to blow all those vermin to kingdom come.
Can I press the button?
Perhaps that's a question best pondered over dinner?
You can just press it. Go ahead.
Vermin. Small animals and insects that can be harmful.
He called me vermin!
Ponder. To think carefully about something.
Cody had no time to think or ponder. He had to take immediate action, and he took it.
This is why I brought him. He's never willing to actually confront his issues.
Sounds like you have no self-esteem.
I don't deserve self-esteem.
Peter, I was once a lot like you. Unmotivated, dangerously obese, always relying on cutaways.
You know, that reminds me of a time...
No, Peter, no more cutaways. Stay in the present.
Okay.
Okay, now tell me what you feel.
A partial erection? I don't get touched very often.
Confront. To face, meet, or deal with a difficult situation.
I will teach you to confront it, and to face the truth.
Obese. Extremely fat.
1 month of eating Krusty Burger and nothing else has transformed me into a morbidly obese, toilet-busting American.
Partial. Not complete.
I regret to inform you, but this map recovered from BB-8 is only partially complete.
And here, I brought you a gift.
A gun?
Yeah, you love guns.
No, I don't. You don't know me at all. I can't believe you'd blow off my party, then give me a handgun. Especially when there's kids in the house.
Kids in the hall.
Damn it, Daddy! I'm trying to explain that guns are hazardous and unsafe, not have a conversation about a tepid 1990s Canadian sketch group.
You're wrong about guns and comedy.
Blow off. To not meet someone you were expected to meet.
I was just thinking we could maybe blow off the terrain match. Rethink things.
Hazardous. Dangerous and involving risk.
The Surgeon General has determined that playing football is hazardous to your health.
Tepid. Not very good or strong.
I learned that in
Professor Henson's tepid lectures.
The point is, Chris's grades aren't improving, and just yesterday he caused a little ruckus in his history class.
Alexander Hamilton was right!
I just can't understand why he's doing so poorly.
We here feel that the best solution is for Chris to attend something called vocational school.
Yeah, you know what? Chris deserves a vocation. He's been working hard, he's doing great in school.
No, vocational school is where less academically capable students learn a trade.
Ruckus. A noisy situation or argument.
You said a neighbor heard a ruckus.
Vocation. A type of work that you feel you are suited to doing.
The hair has to be dealt with eventually, Nick, and it is our job, it is our vocation to be ready.
Capable. Able to do things effectively and skillfully.
I'm capable of running my own diagnostics, thank you very much.